Hello beautiful people, welcome back. Good morning from Italy, Bologna. So guys, today we're going to cook concussion rice with palm oil. And guys, this rice is like what I have at home. That's what I'm going to use for the cooking. Guys, don't mind, it's the twins. Today is Saturday, so that is normal. And I forgot that I don't have onions, and this is the only onions I have at home. But we meal because I've already cooked something this morning with this one. So this is the remaining one, so I'm going to still manage it. So, and I'm going to use this fish for it, and palm oil. This rice is going to be like, gather what you have at home. Let me show you guys that you can actually cook something delicious and with manage things, you understand. It's not every day you start picking turkey, goat meat to cook the love rice. You can actually cook small portable something and it's still going to be sweet. You understand? So let's get back to business. So guys, I have rice. I'm going to add this onion, this tomato. This tomato is just like fresh tomato, you understand? So I'm going to see like fresh tomatoes. I'm going to use it. When you have fresh tomato, it's more better. So I can boil let me put some water. So guys, as I'm waiting for water to boil for us to steam our rice, let's cut the fish. Let's cut our fish. This is the fresh fish I'll be using. I'll be adding this fresh fish like that. I'm not going to fry, or so I'll be adding enough pepper to it. I don't want to fry the fresh fish. I don't want to do anything to it, try it or anything. So
all I want
fish. Because this kind of rice needs the fish. I want to fry it so I can perceive the aroma. I love crayfish, guys. So guys, it's ready. I'm pouring some water. I use this place to reduce some oil because I noticed that the oil was much. So all this tomato stuff is just like wasabi. Guys, the tomato is just like to overdo, because when I was in Nigeria, I don't like to use tomato. I just only that red oil is enough for me, and it gives. But there is one particular fish I need to use to cook it, but the fish is not here, so I'm using tomato to like make it to be bowy. My pepper. Guys, this pepper is so spicy. You can see I added like 1.5. I'm even adding 1.5 because of the pepper and the fish I'm going to add inside. If not, I would have just added only half. The one I'm adding extra is just the fish. Because of the fish I'm adding extra, because you know whenever you're using fresh fish to cook, it requires enough of pepper. I don't know, this thing just spoiled us now. So I'm adding more crayfish. Salt. So in here is some thyme, nutmeg, and some ginger and garlic, dried ginger and garlic. I'm adding some cube, ready cube again. Cube. Then stir it. So I've changed the cover of it, so I'm allowing it to boil. As we dey cook, we dey clean up. As we dey clean up, we dey cook up. As we dey cook, we dey clean up. As we dey clean up, we dey cook up. Guys, we are done with the concoction rice. Guys, if you have scent leaf, add scent leaf and thank me later. Even the aroma and everything, oh my god. But I don't have scent leaf, I don't have any vegetable at home, so eating it like that, as I said before, is a concoction rice. Gather what you have at home. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Love you. Have a wonderful weekend, and don't forget to like my video, subscribe and share. Ciao ciao.